Update. Dito kami kahapon.
Dito ako hapon.
Eh? Ba't di ka nagsabi?
Secret.
May mga parking.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Louie.
This is been shooting cosplay photography for 21 years already. So, medyo OG na tayo. What's nice about it, I'm seeing the growth of this genre. I guess it's roots dito sa atin until how it's flourishing right now to the point na meron tayong events na ganito talaga that's meant for content creation. Nakakatuwang tingnan. It's just an honor to be presenting for you guys here. What motivates me? Okay. I start off my creative journey out of frustration. Kasi hindi ako mauna mag-drawing. So, higit ako sa klase ko ng grade school, high school, na nakapag-drawing sila ng X-Men characters. I mean, I was a comic guy at my heart to begin with, and of course, video games like Mega Man. I went to my shirty with this. Ayan. So, for the lack of drawing skills, eventually I discovered problem of creativity. How do you become a creative even if you're not exactly a creative person to begin with? Or at least feeling ko here. Yeah. So what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a set of mental toolboxes, a mental toolbox of tools that I get to use whenever I come about with a cosplay photography project. Now, what's nice about kapatuhan ko mami si Joel ngayon, kasi we both worked in advertising before. I was an art director back in the day. And ang approach ko in cosplay photography is how I would approach work given na framework of advertising. As you could start from here. So, make sure to ask questions pala later and the giveaways ka na dyan. Okay, mag-good ones and giveaway.
Select a game mode.
One of my favorites, I'm a big fan of Evangelion. So this is a shoot of Asuka a few years back. It's I can explain it. Combination yung toy photography at saka ng actual shoot. So, combined yung dalawa. And iba yung lumalabas na. So of course, as an advertising guy, so what do you tell them if ever tinatanong ka ng ganun? All boils down to the idea. Depends on, for example, mami, I'll actually show good contrast ng dalawang yan. Sige. Good contrast. Funny enough, good point that you raised it up. So here.
Steam Deck.
Now, funny enough, a few minutes after, after this naman. That woman, nakita ko, Marvel. So when you visually storytell something, you have to know the medium that you're working in. Photography is a capture of a time and place at a short, within one frame. So, kailangan masabi nila
Lightsaber.
versus to stop na merong time box na yun. Photography is so time box na yun. So, you also know the time you have to be shot.
Pasok ka video pa daw.
Hindi, papunta na. Hanap tayo.
How do you read that?
So I dug up back to so that's really up to you. But ako, payo ko na lang dyan. I just failed it. So, this is my best advice I could probably give to you guys who are photographers. the only difference between you and me is
Hey.
not skill. For all intents and purposes, wow.
Bakit?
Pangit talaga.
Hindi eh, parang may memories ka. Ako yun, kilala ko yun. Oo.
Hindi ako namukhaan.
Hindi, ano yan, nagtampo yan. Eh, si Inowa daw, sabi sa stage. Hindi, sa vlog ko lang.
Last call, 400. 5. 400, congratulations, here's for 400 pesos.
Grabe naman sila.
Photographer again. There is one common denominator and it's the model. So sabi namin, you know, if this keeps on happening, there is something in the model already. No? So, Miss Sasha, congrats. And of course, Mr. Ruben, who took the photo. Ayun. Sige, we will be awarding the cash prize